Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting the Addo search him and then the day the kind of day me a mestre now was subscribe to my channel. We are now don't say a bell on the soul. We a notification and the sun in said the better me when you be and I say when you be a share GCN page here. Nana Akomeah you be a would the NPP party ni mo akotin ye papa ye can NPP mpanifo a yentimi Nana Akomeah ensinchen o communicate de ma party no na o de ensem bi atodwa wo kokroko dwumadi a omo hosti wo Peace FM owura kwame sifa kan na o hosti sa program no na eno na Nana Akomeah ekọ ho na ne nsem odi tudwa na o kire se omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama oye hypocrite omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama kamia koyese office Ghana for se biyo yenim yansa anase yenim de yeye ura na Akomeah kire se omanpani da John Dramani Mahama should be the last person obekasa de tia his excellency Nana Addo Akufo na membu because when it comes to Nana Addo na membu and na wo omanpani da John Dramani Mahama wa membu a ko de ne nya kra o de no enye nti how dare you say obeka economy ho asem say economy no enkoyia na yenye nim say abra omanpani his excellency Nana Addo Akufo ebeje akondwa de free NDC amayokuo ni mu no ne first term no na eye perfect eye excellent a chese Ghana free na ye ni age till say COVID-19 na Russia na Ukraine omo entokoya ekoso na economy no crash na ye Ghana ko a ewiase afane nyina enti wo omanpani da John Dramani Mahama de woni credibility bia say wo kasa ditia ye NPP amayokuo no because o records ayade a enye kra na de enti a Nana Akomeah asa de eche his excellency Nana Addo Akufo sorry omanpani da John Dramani Mahama ina ne say ena no NDC omo delegate congress so wo Accra Sports Stadium omo koto abayi mpanfo bedi omo anim 2024 abato no omanpani da John Dramani Mahama de ne speech etudwa na ne sem kan mu no na o kire say reckless and irresponsible manage of the economy NPP for and his excellency Nana Addo Akufo omo aye enti na Ghana ye ho ekire yen say say omo enti manage economy ni ye and omo recklessness and so eka ho say bibie ni ho a omo ye ni ye ewo omaimo na yade a say omo ma no omo ani akọ economy no ho na omo agya Russia na Ukraine na COVID-19 into kwana ka yade economy no betimi agya na so the economy no atiti a pansam kra enya Ghana for mo ho ekire omo sa na omanpani da John Dramani Mahama ekan na eno na Nana Akomeah ekise so no obi obeka kire obi say reckless na irresponsible manage of the economy na Ghana for mo ho kire omo hwe na when it comes to economy amu NDC for mo gina he because mo crowd na mo economy no mo enhia COVID-19 mo enhia ntokwa bia na so na eye worse krakrakrakrakra ena no mo se Ebola no kwandu Ghana omanpani da John Dramani ne ho pupu correla common correla eku Ghana fu kunkunku na mo se dey Nana Akomeah eche so omanpani da John Dramani Mahama na onye serious ni eti nsema Nana Akomeah de etudwa
defeat no kra na so chen 2020 it is a year 2016 20 na no 2016 no den is here one a year mo na mo wi amo ho na make kan sen kwa mi ndio mun jai sansen sebuka na omo hwe omo ndim mitie Yera John Mahama nso ewo nase and also this board go NPP so 6 years of reckless and irresponsible management of the economy has rendered Ghana broke and Ghanaians broken and struggling to survive. Yera John Mahama so na mides Yera John Mahama kase okasa say me fu se enya twum no ye no
are
nya twum hypocrisy okasa say he exposes his hypocrisy Unim. Kwabi.
No.
2012. Nayira John Mahama the president. No about the economy of Ghana in 2012. Let me quote him for you. Brofum Kakra. I'll say, I do think we must also look at the reality of the world situation, the global financial crisis, and all of that. Talking about the Ghanaian economy, or kasa about Ghanaian economy, difficulties are near women.
This was 2012.
This was 2012. I do think we should also look at the or the Sobono the world's global situation. I see there was a global financial crisis. 2012. 2015. Still president. State of the Nation address. Tieno Kai.
Me too.
Our economy is still fragile. This year, we have revised the growth figures downwards because of the developments in the international markets. You know, China's slowed down and is affecting the whole international market. 2015, John Mahama.
And so, meaning what?
That the problems we're facing in the Ghanaian economy largely was because of the global situation. I see China slowed down, and the commodity prices are tougher. 2015, blaming Ghana's economic problems on the international situation. 2016, still State of the Nation address. John Mahama. I say our world is becoming an increasingly complex one and unpredictable. Majority of economies around the world are sailing against strong headwinds. The world economic crisis and the slowdown in the Chinese economy has affected the growth of emerging markets. So in 2012, in 2015, in 2016, President Mahama say economy of Ghana no the way an economy because of the international situation. Na Kwame say meka say Botrimu kakana share international crisis be between 2012 and 2016. I bet this over kai bibi. So John Mahama said there was an international crisis and that was why the economy was so suffering. And so ene 2022, when we all know that is a real international issue, I affect the economies in here. I'll say Debbie. Ever so boni nyambo pipi. Time ka say okasa say ya na nyachum no nyachum keke no oye. Ana say oko Harvard yetie. My quote no do no say me quote to Harvard no so ma. Oko Harvard yetie no. Very eloquent, talking about the effects of COVID and the Russia-Ukraine war. And so I say Ghana there, COVID near Russia-Ukraine, or back Ghana there, and they're not the refi COVID near Russia-Ukraine, the refi international situation. Science and seminal can own jai and buano. Na yera a fifi kwete. Also see all the BBs from Kobe by Hubida. Fifi kwete.
Yeah, says he's honorary general secretary of
and
the
NDC. And I fifi kwete de by Hubida.
Yan train yan hey.